nasasangilan, mga angat kay tinalikudan. Ipinta kasi ko sa kagamsan, mga palaok kanaglalang, sarok na pusok, masulog na salong, marambong nakapalibutan. Nagana, uswa pa, mangenot sa pagbabago. Nagana, uswa pa, magayon na siyudad ko. Nagana, uswa pa, di pag-uulyo sa kinapan, sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamuhunan ka. Sa kasaysayan, haloy ng panahon, ika pinangaran sa kahoy na mapusuon. Ngunyan, ika alistaran, banwaan na nasasangilan, mga angat na ay tinalikudan. Ipagsasambitan sa iman maguman, ikukuraw ko sa kagagsan. Kitang mga nagenyo, maurat na Bicolano, marhay na mga tao. Nagana, uswa pa, mangenot sa pagbabago. Nagana, uswa pa, magayon na siyudad ko. Nagana, uswa pa, di pag-uulyo sa kinapan, sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamuhunan sa kung pag-ikutan, sa inman maguman, ikukuraw ko sa kagabsan. Kitang mga nagenyo, matitibay Bicolano, mauuran ng mga tao. Nagana, uswa pa, mangenot sa pagbabago. Nagana, uswa pa, magayon na siyudad ko. Nagana, uswa pa, di mag-uulyo sa kinapan, sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamuhunan.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and the honorable officials of Naga City, welcome to the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials of Naga City. Let us first acknowledge the presence of our city officials, headed by our City Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion. Our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Cecilia Veluz de Asis. Our City Councilors, Honorable Jesse R. Albius, Honorable Gil G. Rosales, Honorable Melvin Ramon Omar Buenafe, Honorable Vidal P. Castillo, Honorable Jose C. Ranyola, Honorable Jose B. Perez, Honorable Salvador M. Del Castillo, Honorable Antonio B. Beltran, Liga President Honorable Maria Corazon M. Peñaflor, the outgoing SK Federation President, Honorable Mary Kyle Francine Tripulca. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our First Lady, Attorney Marion Eloisa Legacion. Also, our City Administrator, Mr. Elmer Baldemoro. Please rise for the singing of the National Anthem, followed by a prayer to be led by our very own Naga City Hall Choral.
Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang istak ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdinigdig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may limang dinilig. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, bakit magsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now take your seats. Thank you to the Naga City Hall Chorale. To welcome our distinguished guests and officials, I now invite the Honorable Cecilia Veluz de Asis, the City Vice Mayor, to deliver the welcome remarks.
Diyos marhay na hapon po sa Satuya Gabos. Welcome po sa Tuya Gabos digdi sa pagsumpa kang satuyang mga nangganang opisyales kang nagaagi pong Barangay Asin Sanggudeang Kabataan Election. Congratulations po sa Saindo Gabos. Saro pong onra na ako matukaran na magpaabot kang welcome remarks sa indungon niya na aldaw. Para sa kuya, mas importante na i-welcome ko kamo bako lang sa event tango niya na banggi na hapon, kundi mas pa sa indong mga posisyon na nakuan indo kang nakaaging election. Sa mga first-timers po, welcome sa serbisyo publiko. Ini po ang sa indong baptism of fire. Asin arog mi man po kang kami inot man na nagtukaw na nailiher. It will be a baptism of fire, pero along the way, makakanood naman po kami. Kamo pala, bako kami. Ang importante po is your desire and intention to serve. Yan lang po ang satuyang pakaisipon. Sa mga ditihan na, welcome po giraray sa padagos na pagserbi sa saindong mga barangay. Sana dai po kamo magsawa sa pagtabang sa saindong mga constituents. Sa mga nakabalik, welcome back. Garo, arog mi man, dahil pa kamong karayaan. Joke lang. Magaro mayong nagngirit. Subalang, welcome po sa bagong pagkakataon na makapagserbi giraray. Aram ko, na mas matibay na kamungunyan kesa kang nagpupuon pa kamo. Asin tabangan man po nindo si mga first-timers sa indong barangay. Bako pong suba-suba ang 27 na barangay captain, 189 na barangay kagawads, 27 na SK chairperson, sagkod 189 man na SK kagawad. So, kabus 432. Gustong sabihon po kayan, dakol na po kitang magtuturuang-tuwang, asin magtatarabangan sa pagpagayon, asin pagparahay, pa kang buhay kang sa mga nagenyos. Tapos na po ang eleksyon. Kamo na pong mga yaon digdi, ang mga nanggana. Mas marhay po na mga kitang mga lideres, magtauman ng pagkakataon na itong mga naging kalaban po nindo sa kaaging eleksyon, i-welcome po girareta sa satuyang barangay. Tapos na po ang eleksyon, mayong personalan, kung baga si dating pag-iribanan, ibalik manggiraray, tas indang katuyuhan maninda para magserbi. Nagkataon po na kamo ang maswerte. Always keep in mind and heart that good leaders are always magnanimous in victory. Treating your opponents with dignity and respect, exhibit your noble character, and demonstrates class. Liwat, congratulations, good luck po sa Indogabos. This is your destiny, and it is time to write your history. Diyos marhay na hapon po.
Thank you very much to our City Vice Mayor, Nene de Asis. Please give her a round of applause. Now for a delightful intermission number, please welcome Ms. Negi Requio and Ms. Karen Blancatan of Universidad de Santa Isabel.
Naga City is our home, and this song is called Istaran. Kanhingal doon sa bangsakit na kinapan, sa imo may kakusugan, ginhawa ko nagigayan. Sa pagsadang kan aldaw, ikatulos ang hinihidaw. Sa dagat na malinaw, sa mga bulod na halangkaw. Ibang kong mahal na sa imong dara, da ikababayaan dawa magunang pa. Ikaanhingal doan sa bangsakit na kinaban, sa imo may kakusugan, ginhawa ko nagigayan. Ikanistar na habo kong mawara, nuwarin man. Sa paglubog kan aldaw, but ko panatag sa imo ko sigurado, ligtas sa mga kamot mo. Ibang kong mahanan sa imong dara, da ikababayaan dawa magurang pa. Ikaanhingal doan sa bangsakit na kinaban, sa imo may kakusugan, ginhawa ko nagigayan. Ikanistaran na habo kong mawara, nuwarin man. Sa pag-agi kan mga aldaw, gayon mo dai nagbabago. Ikanistaran na ingatan ko. Ikanhingal doon sa bangsakit na kinaban, sa imo may kakusugan, ginhawa ko nagigayan. Ikanhingal doan sa bangsakit na kinaban, sa imo may kakusugan, ginhawa ko nagigayan. Ikanistaran na habo kong mawara, ikanistaran na habo kong mawara, ikanistaran na habo kong mawara, nuwarin man.
Thank you very much, Negi and Karen. To present the newly elected officials, I invite Mr. Alan L. Riondanga, the Department Head of the City Events, Protocol, and Public Information Office.
Thank you very much, Hubert. Your honors, esteemed guests, both present and those joining us via live stream in our various official social media platforms, good afternoon. I am pleased to present the recently elected barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials of Naga City. Their victories have been officially declared through certificates of canvass and proclamations by the respective Board of Canvassers. Today, they are here to take their respective oaths of office. As we call your name, please stand and be recognized. Kindly remain standing until the last barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan official o barangay has been called. For Barangay Abella, Apolinario Claridad Malana Jr., Punong Barangay. Sangguniang Barangay members, Estrella Reyes Hipolito, Chudilito Dasalia Pangan, Alfredo Adorna II, Sunny Boy Sabiliano Miranda, Arman Borja Basbas, Bernardo Abunda Yukim, and Andres Esculiar Espina. For Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable SK Chairperson Shinri Hoben Relocano. Sangguniang Kabataan members, Kyla Rakadag, Lara Briguel Espiritu, Alvin Piñero del Valle, Jusrel Rasco Losa, Jason Obstaculo Calabia, Haron Felicitas Lanusga, Rocky Plantado Obligacion Jr. For Barangay Balatas, the Honorable Punong Barangay Ferdinand Velasco Dihita, members of the Sangguniang Barangay, Honorable Dominic Dan Obregon Herman, Natividad Gastillo Rebellion, Jovi San Juan Capistrano, Pedro Flor San Juan Jr., Dean Depositario Lizano, Mercedes Jimenez de los Santos, and the Honorable Joey Robles Gomez. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Balatas, the Honorable SK Chairperson Joseph Sabaldica Ibasco Jr., SK members Karen Joy Mendoza Oliquino, Krisha Jane Madriñan, Eric Olivare, Miriel May Pamon Riapor, Desiree Ubias Altamarino, Angel Laika Nator Folioso, and Aljon Isulan. For Barangay Bagong Bayan Norte, the Honorable Punong Barangay Raquel Mancera Tutanes. The members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Rick Galiarte Reyes, the Honorable J. Malyari Salceda, the Honorable Lani Bas Rivera, the Honorable Wilson Advincula Arsueñe, the Honorable Miguel Edgardo Curioso Silo, the Honorable Maria Teresa Dueñas Jimenez, and the Honorable Richard Verdadero Calalo. For the Sangguniang Kabataan o Bagong Bayan Norte, headed by the Honorable SK Chairperson Dodri Ann Cortez Salceda, the Honorable members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable John Paul de Mesa Rivera, the Honorable Javin Baile Tutanes, the Honorable Marisa Mendez Padayaw, the Honorable Alisa Olarte Marantal, the Honorable Kenneth Misuga Mendez, the Honorable Floraville Pante Paligar, and the Honorable Kathleen Jaila Saraspe Calanyada. For Barangay Bagong Bayan Sur, the Punong Barangay-elect, the Honorable Josephine Buetison Camba. Sangguniang Barangay members, the Honorable Mary Gwyneth Cipriaso Hoson, the Honorable Augusto Polon Borromeo, the Honorable Junbel Abrasado Lamtexon, the Honorable Albert San Agustin Cao, the Honorable Dilita Borromeo Rivera, the Honorable Maria Grace Nava Pimentel, the Honorable Eugene Norman Cadano Ribay, members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Bagong Bayan Sur, headed by the Honorable SK Chairperson Patricia May Paraiso Di Mabayaw, members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Rociela Anastasio Camba, the Honorable Mary Clarice Munoz Sibilia, the Honorable Joshua Valentino Gomez, the Honorable Rebecca Joy Palacio, the Honorable Auro Lisa Marie Valenzuela Auro, the Honorable Zin Andre Iago Fideres, and the Honorable Andre Sebastian Aton Talbo. For Barangay Calawag, still headed by the undefeated Punong Barangay and Liga President, the Honorable Maria Corazon Magat Peñaflor. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Bobby Latumbo Orulfo, the Honorable Ami Bea Salva, the Honorable Carmela Joyce Princesa Lanusa, the Honorable Dante Beda Punsalan Di Padua, the Honorable Susette Pilausa Gomez, the Honorable Jasper Labeta Daumar, and the Honorable Reynaldo Calio Gomez. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable SK Chairperson of Calawag, Patrick Benjamin Bernas. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Joyce de la Cruz Punsalan, the Honorable Mary Joy Cañaveral Favorito, the Honorable Carlo Despe Cantillo, the Honorable Edel Carl Perez Bandola, the Honorable Ira Yvonne Barabad Maestrado, the Honorable Emmanuel Joshua Nivales Bernas, and the Honorable John Mark Banyares Pelayo. For Barangay Kararayan, headed by the Honorable Punong Barangay Rodrigo Bilbao Agravante Jr., the Honorable Edna Sarepe Bragais, the Honorable Salve Villafuerte Catura, the Honorable Simon Cayao Cristo, the Honorable Rowena Ibanez Trio, the Honorable Corazon Flordelis Milano, the Honorable Alex Budino Catura, and the Honorable Diego Pinolio Apin. The Sangguniang Kabataan officials of Kararayan, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable Rona Isabel del Castillo Baisa, the Honorable Jeffrey Beliano Bilbao, the Honorable Neil Angelo Baisa Bebe, the Honorable Francie K. Cinco Sinson, the Honorable Ashley Rodriguez Nacario, the Honorable Jean Grace Piliogo Flordelis, the Honorable Rosaline Nacario Novelo, and the Honorable Iliana Lois Carillo Avila. Barangay Carolina, headed by its Punong Barangay-elect, the Honorable Leoncio Chavez Libuit. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Rinante Bue Suron, the Honorable Ronald Almen Enriquez, the Honorable Unida Barcela Lat, the Honorable Ramon Tapel Reita, the Honorable Salvacion Dalaudao Buragay, the Honorable Hilaria Barbosa Palma, and the Honorable Marilu Acobera Jimenez. Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Carolina, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable Charmaine Oroy Bakay, the Honorable Angelo Marshal, the Honorable Joan Marie Bascon de Leon, the Honorable John McKinley Barola Tanay, the Honorable Abigail Ababa Villa Gomez, the Honorable Noel Belgado Velasco, Barangay Concepcion Grande, headed by its punong barangay-elect, the Honorable Gerald Rol Rito, members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Emmanuel San Jose Alejandria, the Honorable Grace Masaway Navia, the Honorable Efren Rito Alejandria, the Honorable Amelia Matosiños Espinosilia, the Honorable Vicente Aliman Calonge, the Honorable Leticia Santilices Punsalan, and the Honorable Senin San Pascual Baldimoro. The Sangguniang Kabataan officials, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable Marinel May Mirandilla Chica, members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Alisa John David, the Honorable Nico Garcera Monte, the Honorable Daniela Alejandria, the Honorable Rochinik Muyano Guaves, the Honorable Jessica Abner Bumbay, the Honorable Grace Magpantay de Jesus, and the Honorable Kimberly Imina Ravanilla Borromeo. For Barangay Concepcion Pequeña, the following barangay officials are present: the Honorable Corazon Togano Baksa, the Honorable Claro Refugio Divison, and the Honorable Ronald Prito Barrios. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by its Honorable Chairperson, Micah de la Cruz Imperial. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Kimberly Fernando Hermida, the Honorable Lawrence Joy Lucero Istayane, the Honorable Maxine Marilag Silo, the Honorable Aljon Ortua Hermosa, the Honorable Alaisa Marie Bocacao Casin, the Honorable Yesha Queer Sanchez, and the Honorable Mark Jude Bolaños Banyas. For Barangay Dayangdang, headed by its re-elected punong barangay, the Honorable Julius Cesar Bernardo Sanchez. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Achilles Garcia Felipe, the Honorable Raymond Plamiano Medina, the Honorable Rodolfo Charlito Fernando Para, the Honorable Hardy Cayao Cristo, the Honorable Gil Esparas Bilen, the Honorable Edgar Folianto Rey, and the Honorable Julio Di Castro Ortiz Jr. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, James Joshua Eugenio Manlangit. Sangguniang Kabataan members, the Honorable Fatima de Jesus Obal, the Honorable Joy Irish Nacional Soriano, the Honorable Dean Joshua Tolentino Pili, the Honorable Josel Sapusao Salamea, the Honorable Arch Francis Buensalida Aberos, the Honorable Nathan Alvarez Valencia, and the Honorable Hans Bilheca Kalumag. For Barangay del Rosario, headed by its re-elected punong barangay, the Honorable Jose Tan Peñas III. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Arturo Regidor Latumbo, the Honorable Aida Di Viterbo Flores, the Honorable Yolanda Avainza Regidor, the Honorable Jennifer de los Reyes Volante, the Honorable Roderick Cañaveras Alba, the Honorable Romeo Ridillas Castañeda, and the Honorable Sigfredo Bautista Guzman. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Del Rosario, the Honorable SK Chairperson, the Honorable Cedric Saculo Asanya. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Mary Joy Lusanta Ahero, the Honorable Monica Megan Lanusa, the Honorable Benji Sumido de los Reyes, the Honorable Genil Sabiña Regidor, the Honorable John Kyle Oliete Francisco, and the Honorable Vincent Dasig Lacrua, and the Honorable Peter John Septimo Villafuerte. For Barangay Dinaga, the lone candidate for Barangay Dinaga, Punong Barangay, Maria Cristina Bron Intia. Member of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Jerry Orquine Casin, the Honorable Joseph Ramon Ramchand Obias Tolaram, the Honorable Joseph Espiritu Palo, the Honorable Manuel Jose Esteban Gutierrez, the Honorable Janet Verdejo D, the Honorable Dante Baloso Pulgar, and the Honorable Ramon De Leon Antonio Jr. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable SK Chairperson, Jose Maria de la Cruz. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Rosario May Rifaida Alvarez, the Honorable Grisel Joy Rabano Candelaria, the Honorable Andre Josh Casin Siesmundo, the Honorable Tommy Joseph Martinez, the Honorable Julius Vergara Ruin, the Honorable Precious Bulaong Rabanilla, and the Honorable Nicole Tricia Bitara Brabante. For Barangay Igualdad, headed by its Punong Barangay-elect, the Honorable Angelo Romano Bindiola. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Julius Mapa Vargas, the Honorable Aname Sumpay Briones, the Honorable Esmeraldo Peñano David, the Honorable Ronel Rivera Sales, the Honorable Michael Shea Abesa, the Honorable Emmanuel Vidoral Borromeo, and the Honorable Reynaldo Embate Bernal. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Igualdad, the Honorable SK Chairperson, Jamaica Bersabal Sunyas, together with the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Mary Joanne Palmones, the Honorable Kyla Danica Gomez Cardona, the Honorable Maxil Marcaida Lakindanum, the Honorable E.J. Marino Borjal, the Honorable King Edward Alilam Lopez, the Honorable Christian Paul Barbuebo Vargas, and the Honorable John Mark Capinpin de la Soledad. The Sangguniang Barangay of Lerma, still the undefeated Punong Barangay, the Honorable Domingo Rodriguez Cerrado. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, Yolanda Plaza Bigia, the Honorable Tomas Clotario Comota, the Honorable Marilyn Frias Collis, the Honorable Hidilisa Candelaria Garcia, the Honorable Frederick Grino Eliazar, the Honorable Antonio Toledo Borromeo, and the Honorable Roderick Mayor Bilolo. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Lerma, the Honorable SK Chairperson, Maria Angelica Oliver Pujado. Sangguniang Kabataan members, the Honorable Kent Nero, the Honorable Jane Bolina Minalabag, the Honorable Juni Jose Usabel, the Honorable Angel Nicole de la Rosa Joven, the Honorable Nubilin Grace Altare Paro, the Honorable John Wayne Cesar Surabia, and the Honorable Pauline Marie Refe Aquino. For Barangay Liboton, still headed by its Punong Barangay, the Honorable Ronald Maestrado Luntok. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Cecil Imperial Neru, the Honorable Salvadora Oliva Ortua, the Honorable Alex Cañada Pilapil, the Honorable Cecilia Abasola Amparado, the Honorable John Paulo Istiliore Abasola, the Honorable Salvacion Bihag Selga, and the Honorable Marvin Ponte Pinpeño. For the Sangguniang Kabataan Obliboton, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable Don Valen Vercasio Colarina, the Honorable Caitlin K. Estrada Mabuhay, the Honorable Evelyn Treyes Santa Maria, the Honorable Mary Maclean Sabilia Arevalo, the Honorable John Mico Nazareta Fabia, the Honorable Jika May Oriate Sinokbit, the Honorable Gemaline Coronado Pilapil, and the Honorable John Leo Pea Oret Ojera. For Barangay Mabolo, headed by its punong barangay-elect, the Honorable Noel Francisco Constantino. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Arthur San Juan Matos, the Honorable Rodel Lagdameo Reyes, the Honorable Melchor Francisco Diaz, the Honorable Ray Eman Amaro Manansala, the Honorable Glenn Cerdeno Francisco, the Honorable Jiminiano de Jesus Plihino, and the Honorable Roel Toledo Pabiano. For the Sangguniang Kabataan of Mabolo, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable Marlon Abias Casilaw. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable John Moises Bihag de Jesus, the Honorable Gillian Marie Valentina Sombrero, the Honorable Rizalin de la Cruz Rubas, the Honorable Jessa May Diaz Villar, the Honorable John Kyle Rasiles Mendoza, the Honorable Kevin Matthew Obias Amaro, and the Honorable Edson Padernal. For Barangay Pacol, we have its punong barangay-elect, the Honorable Ruben Sulisa Limbo. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Jerry de la Trinidad Aspe, the Honorable Patricia Rabago Culasito, the Honorable Eduardo Parilla Riniba, the Honorable Arnel Olabiaga Napili, the Honorable Guillermo Marin Nunez Jr., the Honorable Helen Calizo San Agustin, and the Honorable Jesus Banog Ador. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, SK Chairperson, the Honorable Rosary Diokino Diaz. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Jericho Modino Abias, the Honorable Patricia Camila Dispolon Baron, the Honorable Kimberly De Loyola Olinares, the Honorable John Ray Paginawan Bonoan, the Honorable Marie Jeline Teves Chabinia, the Honorable Kathleen Ann Paula Adolfo Largo, and the Honorable Joshua Paular San Andres. For Barangay Panikwason, still headed by its punong barangay, the Honorable Domingo Lontac Ramos, Sangguniang Barangay. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Tranquilino Pedragosa Sinfuego, the Honorable Edwin Mena Mingo, the Honorable Jesse Asanya Piñero, the Honorable Wilfredo Gualberto Curva, the Honorable Vilma Brofas Camacho, the Honorable Christine Cleofe Importante, the Honorable Milagros Garcia Lagos. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Panikwason, SK Chairperson, the Honorable John Mark Pedragosa Cosa. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Jordan Pedragosa, the Honorable John Marlo Indico Simpuego, the Honorable Albert Trillo Alforte, the Honorable Camaila Buenviaje Sabalsa, the Honorable Ariel Madera Capos, the Honorable Francis Wayne Aureliano Braga, and the Honorable Carmen Abioro Antones. For Barangay Peña Francia, we have Punong Barangay-elect, the Honorable Jackie Dasco Villafuerte. The members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable R.G. Rodelio Ventura de Lima, the Honorable Jenny Sinugba Arenas, the Honorable Julian Volante Marcaida, the Honorable Joel Tatel Tres Valles, the Honorable Emma Gubat Agara, the Honorable Ariel Verceles Suarez, and the Honorable Maribel Baranda Taghoy. For the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Peña Francia, headed by its Honorable Chairperson, Tricia Muñoz del Castillo. Sangguniang Kabataan members, the Honorable Crystal Rose Ofe Maria, the Honorable Laika Alvarez Mojico, the Honorable Alisa May Adolfo Año-Nuevo, the Honorable John Patrick Biringuela, the Honorable Alaika Espeso Misias, the Honorable Alfred Balang Infante, and the Honorable Cristina Marie de los Santos Abin. For Barangay Sabang, headed by its Punong Barangay, the Honorable Cyrus Liacer Caballero. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Jaime Briguera Pulilio, the Honorable Faustino Lad Bagalay Galvan de Ford, the Honorable Rolando Acosta Barion, the Honorable Eva Valencia Rilato, the Honorable Jose Santa Maria Jacobo Sr., the Honorable Maria Cristina Santiago Mendoza, and the Honorable Ricardo Orsini Francisco. Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Sabang, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable John Nino Hamisola Rialda, the Honorable John Emil Bulima Borromeo, the Honorable Erica Alegre San Jose, the Honorable Albert Canalda, the Honorable Rachel Ruby Vivar Alano, the Honorable Rafaela May Cabalquinto Valenzuela, the Honorable Laika Marie de los Santos Argente, and the Honorable Jake Lawrence Naing Magas. For Barangay San Felipe, still, Punong Barangay, the Honorable Alfonso Romero Rodriguez. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Imirita Lindog Castillo, the Honorable Marilu Cordes Panganiban, the Honorable Ray Timbal Plopeño, the Honorable Domingo Valenciano Barcena, the Honorable Maria Margarita Barcena Atanasio, the Honorable Teresita Rodriguez Orate. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by its SK Chairperson, the Honorable Nika Oreya Navera. Sangguniang Kabataan members, the Honorable Nicole Imperial, the Honorable Crystal Joy Imperial Alarcon, the Honorable Danica Orolfo Bibal, the Honorable Sofia Nicole Pardelio Bungyad, the Honorable Ruth Blasa Mortega, the Honorable Cedric James Orate Angeles, and the Honorable Erica Labape Riñon. For Barangay San Francisco, based on the proclamations made by the Commission on Elections, Punong Barangay, the Honorable Efren Colliantes Nepomuceno. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Susana Albao Bragais, the Honorable Jose Blas Asanya Jr., Jose Blas Asanya Henson Jr., the Honorable Jason D. Asis Barameda, the Honorable Herminia Encinas de la Trinidad, the Honorable Christopher Aguilar Verdadero, the Honorable Noel Listana Milano, and the Honorable Agaton Abiog Arios. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, Saldi de la Trinidad Bragais Jr., members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Luigi Pipito Verdadero, the Honorable Alia Jane Masotes Guevara, the Honorable Maria Angeline Riel Bok, the Honorable Kyla May Batas Balmes, the Honorable Mark Julius Loda Eco, the Honorable Roy Arandia Bragais, and the Honorable Mark Angelo Bungon Frago. For Barangay San Isidro, headed by its punong barangay, the Honorable Veronica Serdon Panganiban, members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Milesio Ibarreta Hornales, the Honorable Loresa Alcober Hornales, the Honorable Alfredo Serdon Rabosa, the Honorable Angelica Bicaldo Moreno, the Honorable Annabel Serdon Filin, the Honorable Rico Vergara Nacario, and the Honorable George Orozco Ardales. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of San Isidro, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, Christopher Ken Labrador Mendoza. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, Eliza Mabilagan Labrador, the Honorable Joy Serdon Actores, the Honorable Ismael Morte Rabosa Jr., the Honorable Ron Mark Bragaes Pajaron, the Honorable Louis J. Baracena Bilason, the Honorable Angel May Ramirez Lorilia, and the Honorable Luis Clark Bernacer Fuentes. For Barangay Santa Cruz, headed by its punong barangay-elect, the Honorable Felix Matias Francisco Largo Sr., members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Ramon Simon Gonzalez Primavera, the Honorable Marilyn Evangelista D., the Honorable Lawrence Rafael Ablanida Bombase, the Honorable Maria Carla Alhambra Gomez, the Honorable Lorenzo Diaz Narvaez, the Honorable Luis Balcueva Fernandez, and the Honorable Gil Ibatuan de los Martires. Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Santa Cruz, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, the Honorable Jefferson Romeo Biando Felix. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Kyla Marie Alcaraz Ayala, the Honorable Daryl Arandia Bombales, the Honorable Melias Sabalyegue de Lumin, the Honorable Justin Luis Abarca Cledera, the Honorable Arabella Baudin Carr, the Honorable Maria Jean Sagala Villamora, and the Honorable Riza May Nabata Rodriguez. For Barangay Tabuco, headed by its punong barangay, the Honorable Elisa Barrios Carmona. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Jeffrey Robles Basanta, the Honorable Sonia Santiago Bagajong, the Honorable Melody Santos Malinisa, the Honorable Roberto Dasico Sanchez, the Honorable Susana Diones Pabia, the Honorable Salvi Albio Salon, and the Honorable Asuncion Velarde Flor. Sangguniang Kabataan o Barangay Tabuco, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, Cristobal Salvador Cambe. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Rex Esperas Nagal, the Honorable Faith Bagajong Nero, the Honorable Lynette Casano Peña, the Honorable Sheila May Rigodon Katimbang, the Honorable Jonard Parajes, the Honorable Friends Joshua Rabang Sikuya, and the Honorable Jude Andrew Alpaño. For Barangay Tinago, still headed by its punong barangay, the Honorable Estelita Nodado Bautista. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Ronnie Aragon Saison, the Honorable Chupisto Rosin de Guzman Jr., the Honorable Tessie Ramirez Mural, the Honorable Alvin Malinisa Claveron, the Honorable Hilda Opto Rukid, the Honorable Israel Vergara Aton, and the Honorable Leticia Naive Blanca Flor. For Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Tinago, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, Carl Marie del Castillo Lachama. Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, the Honorable Jean Aliquer Galan, the Honorable Christine Ross Malinisa, the Honorable Angelo Birinya Olaño, the Honorable Marion Edward Bulawan, Neri, and the Honorable Carl Haron Saison Malinisa, the Honorable John Ryan Daos Sanchez, and the Honorable Mark Dominic Liagas Pajardo. And our last barangay, Barangay Triangulo, headed by its punong barangay-elect, the Honorable Raymond Rolly Arevalo. Members of the Sangguniang Barangay, the Honorable Carlos Floresca Honorio Jr., the Honorable Wilfredo Adonis Aicardo, the Honorable Damian Aureliano Santiago, the Honorable Fernando Fontanilla Calderon, the Honorable Jacob Valenciano Diswanco, the Honorable Teresa Leda Tatel Brences, the Honorable Nilda Enrile Balion, and the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Triangulo, headed by its Honorable SK Chairperson, Jaila Mir Pacheco Dangka. Sangguniang Kabataan members, the Honorable Shaina Tatel Lumakad, the Honorable Ian Christopher Santa Rosa Navales, the Honorable John Michael Nibria Bulaga, the Honorable Faith Bernadette Chavez, the Honorable John Jeric Orsini Maranya, the Honorable Sian Richard Pacheco Lazaro, and the Honorable Jenin Restom Haliores. Your honors, our newly elected Sangguniang Kabataan and Barangay officials in the recently concluded October 30th synchronized barangay and SK elections.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rian Danga. That was quite a list. At this point, may I ask your attention to our lead wall for a special video message from Senator Mark Villar.
My warmest greetings to the entire LGU of Naga City, especially to Mayor Nelson Legacion. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. I would like to congratulate the newly elected barangay and SK officials of all the 27 barangays of Naga. I implore you to use your position in giving commendable service to your constituents. Again, congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Thank you very much to Senator Mark Villar for his message. Now let us move on to the heart of this afternoon's event, the oath-taking ceremonies for the newly elected barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials. We begin with the mass swearing-in of our punong barangays and members of the Sangguniang Barangay. May we now invite Mayor Nelson S. Legacion to administer the oath to the newly elected barangay officials. May we also request the City Vice Mayor and the members of the Sangguniang Panglusod to please join the mayor in front to witness the oath taking. May we now request our punong barangays and members of the Sangguniang Barangay to stand with your right hands raised, accompanied by your witnesses.
Ready? Kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. I kindly state your name. Having been elected as, please state your position and the barangay. In the October 30, 2023 synchronized barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations to our newly sworn in punong barangays and members of the Sangguniang Barangay. You may now take your seats. Maybe once again request Mayor Nelson Legatson, please remain on stage. Vice Mayor Nene de Asis and the members of the Sangguniang Panglunsod, as we request our SK chairpersons and SK members to please stand, to raise your right hands, accompanied by your witness, for the mass swearing-in ceremonies of the Sangguniang Kabataan officials.
Ready? SK? Kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. I, please state your name. Having been elected as, state your position and the name of your barangay. In the October 30, 2023 synchronized barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
May we request Mayor Nelson Legacion, Vice Mayor Nene De Asis, and our city councilors to please remain on stage. Congratulations to our newly sworn-in Sangguniang Kabataan chairpersons and members. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed to the oath-taking ceremonies of the newly elected officers of the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation. His Honor, the City Mayor Nelson Legacion will administer the oath with the Sangguniang Panlungsod, headed by Vice Mayor Cecilia Vedus de Ases, to witness the ceremony. May we request once again Mr. Allen Riondanga to introduce the newly elected officers of the Panglungsod na Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan.
Your Honors, I am pleased to introduce to you the newly elected officers of the Panglungsod na Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan of Naga City, held yesterday as administered by the Department of the Interior and Local Government. May we request on stage the Honorable SK Chairperson of Igualdad, Jamaica Bersabal Sunyas, for having been elected Sergeant at Arms. Public Relations Officer, the Honorable SK Chairperson of Liboton, the Honorable Dan Valen Bercasio Colarina. Auditor, the Honorable SK Chairperson of Abelia, the Honorable Shinri Hoben Relocano. Treasurer, the Honorable SK Chairperson of Balatas, the Honorable Joseph Sabaldica Ibasco Jr. Secretary, the Honorable SK Chairperson of San Felipe, Nika Urea Navera. Vice President, the SK Chairperson of Concepcion Grande, the Honorable Marinel May Mirandilla Chica, and the duly elected President of the Panglungsod na Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan ng Naga, who will sit as ex-officio member in the Sangguniang Panglungsod, the SK Chairperson of Santa Cruz, the Honorable Jefferson Romeo Viando Felix.
Ready? Kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. I, kindly state your name. Having been elected to the position of, state your position, of the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation of Naga City, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my abilities the duties of my present position and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations to our newly sworn in Sangguniang Kabataan Federation officers. Please give them a round of applause. And we thank our Sangguniang Panglungsod for witnessing the swearing-in ceremony. Once again, congratulations to our newly sworn in Sangguniang Kabataan Federation officers, and we thank our Sangguniang Panglungsod for witnessing the swearing-in ceremony. At this point, we now listen to the message of our beloved City Mayor. Please give a round of applause to the Honorable Nelson S. Legacion.
Ang pagtaunggalan po sa presiding officer kan Sangguniang Panglungsod, palapakan ta po Vice Mayor Nene D. Asis, Councilor General Omar Buenafe, Councilor Vidal Castillo, Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola, Councilor Joe Perez, Councilor Attorney Oying Rosales, Councilor Salvador del Castillo, Councilor Judith Beltran, Councilor Doc Gail Abunal Gomez, Councilor Doc Jess Albios, our Liga President, Councilor Ason Piñaflor, hindi ko kaya nailing-digdig. Our former Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President, Councilor Kylie Tripulca, former dahil iguanang bago, palakpakan na po the new Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President, Councilor Jefferson Felix. Sa tuya pong City Administrator na kaibanan taman, three-termer Councilor Elmer Baldimoro, sa tuya po gabos na yaon digdingon yan, including my very supportive wife, Attorney Marion Eloisa Legacion, Marhay na Bangina? Ano? Bangina? Okay, so Diyos marhay na pagkabanggi. On behalf of the officialdom of the city government of Naga, we hereby express our warmest greetings to each and every barangay and SK official in this hall on your being elected or for others re-elected to the new batch of the city's barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials. Congratulations po sa Saindo Gabos. Either tomorrow or after tomorrow, you will officially begin your first day in office. And whether you are newly starting with this role or taking it yet again, we give you our best hopes and regards as you tread on the path of public service. Public service, a noble job as it is, has not always been that easy. Bako pong madali ang pagserbisyo sa publiko. Itinatao mo na ang halos gabos, magin ang pamasahe o kaya allowance kan sa imong aki. Pero minsan, ang paghiling kan iba, garo baga kulang pa. Minsan, maski mayo ka nang mabubunot, pero ang paghuna kan iba, igwapa. In their eyes, you are the solution to their problems and sometimes their miseries. With all the hardships and difficulties entailed in public service, it indeed takes passion and grit for one to do and continue to do what you have taken an oath to do. Thus, it is very heartwarming to see you here, all eager to venture into this tough journey. Kaya, kudos to all of you and good luck. Obviously, you are here today because a significant majority of the people in your respective barangays decided to put their trust and confidence in you. And you owe them that assurance that last October 30, they have not erred in electing you into office, that indeed they made the right choice. Accordingly, you are all being expected to exercise utmost accountability in the delivery of your respective mandates, in the discharge and exercise of your powers, functions, and duties. Pagdusay is the theme of your oath-taking ceremony today. To inculcate the value of commitment upon which we shall be hinging our actions and decision-makings as we deliver on our roles as public servants. Pagdusay in not being sidetracked by setbacks, including negative and adverse feedbacks. Pagdusay in continuing amidst the delays and detours. Pagdusay in remaining firm to translate promises and goals into tangible realities. Napatunayan ta na po ini kan nakaaging tulong taon sa ibong kan mga na-eksperyensyahan tang angat. We saw how our commitment did not disappoint us. Pagdusay has been and shall be the brand of our leadership. In this post-pandemic period, with all the emerging crises and fast-evolving socio-economic landscape, the role of the local government units all the more becomes relevant and significant in fostering development. As such, your respective roles play an invaluable part in navigating these changes and ensuring the promotion of general welfare in your respective community. As we move on from the past election and start to work on the responsibilities before us, allow me to take this opportunity to share with you the direction that we are taking here in this city. Our long-term vision remains being the maugmang lugar, an emphasis on Naga being a recognized model of a healthy city that is peaceful, vibrant and productive, safe and smart, green and resilient, driven by excellence and solidarity, enabled by technology, powered by a strong and diversified urban and agricultural economy, and nurtured by culture and religious diversity. This being enabled by people-centered development and collaborative governance. In line with this perspective, in the last 4 years since 2019, we have been embarking on the creation and opening of various opportunities for the socio-economic development of our city. We are investing for the long-term, sustainable development that will ensure the resilience and readiness that we need in embracing future disruptions. As such, with the needed social services also in place and being likewise a priority, we have been highly engaged in needed infrastructure development. The establishment of new schools to ensure access to our children to quality education, the provision for health facilities, including the new Naga City General Hospital, the construction of the Center for Safety and Resiliency, which will be employing the use of cutting-edge information communication technology and security system, and therefore serves as the eyes and ears of our city 24/7 to secure the city's peace, order, and public safety in the most efficient and effective way. Number 4, opening of new growth centers for thriving of economic opportunities and creation of more jobs. And 5, the promotion of tourism in Naga. Altogether, we are looking into a more vibrant landscape of Naga and lifescape of the Nagueños. With all this, I am sure, and you must know by now, that our efforts have already been bearing fruits, reaping fruits. According to the Department of Trade and Industry, pursuant to the Cities and Municipalities Competitiveness Index, or CMCI, Naga City is top 1 overall most competitive component city in the Philippines. And we were able to bag this most coveted award not only once or twice. We did it for the past 3 consecutive years in 2021, 2022, and 2023. We were adjudged the best component city in the entire country 3 times in a row. No city in the Philippines was able to do it except Naga City and Quezon City. Kita lang po ang nakagibo kaini. Asin nangyari po yan dahil sa pagtatarabangan niyatong mga Nagueños. In between those awards and in connection with our various initiatives, especially during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, your local chief executive, along with 5 other local chief executives in the country, were named by the National Resilience Council as Resilience Champion. Also, only very recently, the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO, likewise recognized our works that largely aligns in the realization of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, with yours truly being named as the 2023 Outstanding Public Servant in Good Governance. Ang satuya pong sangguniang panglungsod, daiman po nagpapahuri. Kanakaaging pirang simana, rinisibi po ni Vice Mayor Neni Diasis, asin iba pang miyembro kan konseho, an Outstanding Local Legislative Award for Independent Component City category. And I also learned that our sangguniang panglungsod is now one of the finalists for the national award. Kaya palakpakan ta po man ang satuyang sangguniang panglungsod. All of this highly affirm the relevance and importance of the direction that we are taking here in Naga. We are in the right direction, my fellow public servants. With this outlook for the future and in the spirit of collaborative governance that we continuously espouse, we highly enjoin you in the undertaking for a more improved Naga that continually takes pride in being a premier city in the Bicol region and as the most competitive component city in the whole Philippines. I am inviting you all, our punong barangays, our barangay kagawads, our Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Chairpersons, and our Sangguniang Kabataan Kagawads to join me, to join my administration, to join Team Naga, to join the city government in our journey in working for the realization of our long-term vision for Naga. Let this be our agenda, our commitment, ini ang satuyang pagdusay para sa Naga. Naga na? Naga na? Once again, congratulations and mabalos.
Let's give a round of applause to our Honorable Mayor Nelson S. Legason. Thank you very much, Mayor. Now we conclude the first part of our program with the singing of the Heart of Bicol March to be led by the Naga City Hall Chorale. May we request everyone to please stand. Thank you very much, Naga City Hall Chorale. You may take your seats, everyone. That concludes our oath-taking ceremony. We now invite everyone to be ready for the photo opportunity with our city officials on stage. May I once again request our Honorable Mayor and the Sangguniang Panglungsod, headed by Vice Mayor Nani De Asis, to please come up on stage. As we call your name barangays or the names of your barangays, please immediately proceed on stage for the photo taking. As advised a while ago,